Chocolate Chip Mini Muffins.
All right, thank you, John. Yeah, muffins are a favorite at our house, especially the chocolate chip ones.
Yes.
My kids even like the double chocolate chip. These would be great for breakfast, dessert, or even just a snack, right?
Yes, they are. And so my kids, we go to a small country school and we love Christ Lutheran, but there's no hot lunch. And so most days I'm packing a lunch and a snack for my kids, and they were always begging me to buy these mini muffins at the store, but they get expensive, especially if you have to buy multiple boxes of them.
Right.
So I started making these at home for a fraction of the price, and what I love about them, it's ingredients that you probably have in your cupboard, and there's no fancy mixers or anything. It's just a couple bowls. What we're going to do is we're going to add together our dry ingredients. So we're going to put in our flour and our sugar and salt, baking powder. I'm just going to add it to a large bowl. And then I have some brown sugar and a half a teaspoon of, if it comes out, half a teaspoon of cocoa powder.
Oh, okay.
This
is an additional ingredient.
This is completely optional. The only reason why I would add the cocoa powder is to give it a little bit of color. If you make these muffins and they're golden brown on top, that means they're completely overbaked. So they get a little pale, so I just added a half a teaspoon of cocoa powder to give it just a little bit of color.
So you could add that to the ingredients if you want to.
If you wanted to.
Aesthetic.
Yes. Yes.
All right, okay.
So into our liquid ingredients, we're gonna add our milk and our beaten egg.
All right.
And then our vegetable oil and the vanilla.
Okay, gotta love vanilla.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. And then stir that, mix that.
Stir that, yep.
Okay. And it doesn't take too much.
No, it doesn't.
I know on the boxes of muffins they'll always say don't over mix.
Absolutely. We want a light fluffy muffin, you don't want a dense muffin, and so just mix it until the ingredients are incorporated together.
Okay.
And then lastly, we're just gonna add our mini chocolate chips. If you don't have any mini ones, you can always take a knife, and if you have larger chocolate chips, just
good idea.
Chop those up a little bit.
And then just add that to it.
Yep, so fold those in.
And mix it all together.
Yeah,
like that.
and then we're ready for our mini muffin pan. You can have the little tins, otherwise you can just spray your pan really well. I put those in a little snack bag for my kids, and I get a week's worth of supply, so they're ready to go in the refrigerator. You can keep them in the freezer as well, but they're great for lunches, just a fun snack.
They are good. Love them. And made from scratch, right?
Yes, absolutely.
The kids know all the work you've put into this, right, Crystal?
Yes, they appreciate me so much. I just know it.
These are so great. The recipe's on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Back to you, John.
All right.